Hi, I'm Callum, and this is how Coleg y Cymoedd changed my life. My journey with Coleg y Cymoedd started, I think it was in 2013. So I came from Tonarefil and I joined the A-level course. I'm currently sat in Magdelene College, so this is my final year in Magdelene. It's in Oxford. I'm studying for a degree in medicine. So I've currently qualified just in the last couple of weeks to be a doctor, and I'm going to be starting working in the John Radcliffe in Oxford come August. But the college helped me massively actually in terms of sort of springboarding me into what I was doing next and moving me on to sort of higher education. The facilities to start with compared to any of the other education institutions in South Wales was probably unmatched. Still now, even probably was at the time as well, massively. And then besides that, the teaching was great, I thought, and it really helped me. I was playing a lot of rugby when I was there at the time, and the rugby academy was one of the best in Britain, so I was really enjoying my time while I was there. I think the thing that makes Coleg y Cymoedd so good is the people who were there. The staff are phenomenal in terms of supporting you as you go through. The environment itself is sort of second to none in the area, so Cymoedd was massively supportive during my time there. The welfare staff, the door was constantly open. I was always going back and forth, sort of bouncing ideas off them and sort of being there, and they would always be open to give support as well. So I would absolutely recommend Coleg y Cymoedd. It's got fantastic facilities, and the staff are unbelievably supportive, and it's definitely sort of aided me into where I've ended up right now. It was a really nice time, and I really felt that sort of like my time at Cymoedd was well supported because of the people that were there themselves as well.